Jantia Students' Movement Eastern Region today expressed scepticism over the sincerity of NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government to improve the educational scenario in East Jantia Hills district of Meghalaya. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club, the president of Jantia Students' Movement of Eastern Region, Shnala Rambai, said his organization has rejected the government's intention of setting up a government community college. Rambai rejected the suggestion of the government and termed it as unviable proposition. He also said that it has become a futile exercise for the students of East Jantia Hills district to carry on with their studies, as they will be left with no opportunities to continue for higher studies. When asked about the government's intention to upgrade the Presbyterian Higher Secondary School at Rambai to a college, Rambai also said that the voice of the organization urging the state government to repair the Haroi and Hingaria Road in East Jantia Hills district has fallen into deaf ears and will repair them by members of the movement. On the transportation of coal from the district, Rambai said the organization will not be able to comment on it, as they have no power to check the coal-laden truck. The district magistrate and the police are the competent authorities to explain on that. He, however, suspected that there is an overloading of exported coal, as the challan has been hugely raised to the tune of 70,000 to 80,000 rupees for transporting 9 metric tons of coal. The earlier rate was 10,500 rupees per challan.
Shnala Umbai, Snow Janga in the Clear, Nade President Jantia Student Movement Eastern Region. The Jingwan Kijongi Negasi Haganiga Yang Manin Kwaban I was a bringing a trip, rock away. Kajing Deva Neo E Kikuborba Neat Menin Hagajin Deva E Albat Nauru, Emily Jamanot Shillong. Yes, no doubt that the gentleman by your eBay no lam with Johnny by Irak Mao Yakataga memory of Mo. The Kapor Skopor, you do your eBay in lam with you. Grand Yakataga, when the net Massa Yakataga memory. Take along per day the Compong Yangi. Kino is Gentia, who don't stay the mar. Hamala Usnem Haman Lakatem. Akin economic market jongi ki ju ikren malakopor gajing deban yada ya kami merian jongi tambangi jo yo iba kamju seiso na kata daw ngine le kasing Jantia Student Movement wan ne kasing ban kon pau sha kabrih nyo trip ba nimsyo hap ha gajing deba gini economic market jongi ki kanglenti ha gajing debat ka development jong ka state ka jongi bat ka district khamtam ka jongi Tingi wan hang ne ngira tanglai deli ki point hagi jingi dai ban ikren ba di katu ga jingkren ban pensyaru ga jingkren jongi ba albat norum ba hagi jingi dai ban bat ka khai ya utau transportation illegal transportation yo pol ma menirungi yo iba ikren naga mesin ga baslor ga jingi dai berata te kawe pat Naleng jong ni kum gaseng nadu usna marzar khatlai khasaw ni lad kapat ya ka sarkar ban punyo ya ka government college po Jantia sorry ka bat ka balai galong ha ka jing ide bat ki surok jong ki bordar ba per mari la thai ban kha da ki kot islaman la ki department jong ka sarkar Meghalaya tengin yikran shwa ha ka jing ide bat kata gajing keren jauh ba albat hari jingi debat kata kayi di
adelbat
adelbat mo ba adel te iko ban pensyai ba hoi ni le keseng ngiju per borbor ya kata memory ngiju persyaru borbor ha ginu kita ki plan mo ki semen plan gijongi ki klong ya ki mapok ndeu gijongi ngiju persyaru ya kata tambah haba pet ba ke development pede ya ke district ke jongi ngimju yo I tangki ki marpok ndeu ba mi na pok Jantia yo I ki la lut no menta taga development ku ngo ya pi kampat ngimpat yo te dadangi pet pede ya ka DMF ke jingsiu kadang ka khazana ya ka sarkar kadang luna ba te ya ka taur ngitip ka ja sono market khandai dili kismen plan ki bedon pok Jantia kamde ban sa den haga hakaroi kapal kata kedega point number 1 Tengin poi hakata ke jing ba iba adal bat ba ikren minin ba kata transportation. Ngihi kiseng balang ngi bor ngi pe sisa ya kata. Ngiru ngi yo i. Naduk kita isnem arzar khasan khandriu khanyau terter. Ngiru ngi yo i. Tambah kalau mengingi pada kumudau masyunde ya ke distrik kejongi nadangi perkatnya namara izentia hilhi kum ga jalah ke jongi ka tipsai ba 90% ki batre ki tang na udiwyong tagi akta ki government job hau ni usnam arza khandai arpau thara kita ki yut ki jongi ki kemau ya kita ki government service tega por mishwang yo baro hi ki kimi pa ki jongi ki trebe ta udiwyong ya pon mata bade kala shenji ngintip na ga daw mo en ngakwa ru ba mankren namar ngilay isay ba utaw diwyong bami na po gani ga isjan jahil ke jongi ngintip da don da kita ki ton ba lapha da government ne da nende dang ba ya illegal ne ya tangin tip namar kamdon ka bor hangi balik check ha kita ki outpost ne kita ki checking gate data ki officer ne kita ki in charge jong district per malak ban kena ti yengi hi kum gasing ngiwan sekmat ban pensyai sai ba adal ban urum ngim don kata ka bor ban check every checking gate ndon kata ka mo but pilayo ilupa hi haswa begin check ya kata ki trading lene ki labor license ladang sing balang kin ya ban check ngiyo i tirung ulta spoka kata ka thanat kata ka jen ladang check pade ya uni udivyong tharai ngim tip kan ja ayu ya kita ki sing balang wat kiri pai baro tharai kumba pio i ki zentia ki jongi ka pau ki pau da ki ek phang da kita ki modar case phang da ki ek mo dengan ong kawe hi ya sarkar ba ni ru pimpino sosno jong izentia itip sha ya jing le ka sarkar te kajing shisha hi ba kinu in charge jong district per ki dai ban shisha ka donne am kum kata ga illegal coal transportation chakibe ke jilla